Oh, yeah?
Wash me.
All right. I forgot what something. Let's just pick one out. 4, 3. Oh, here. Let's do this one. What do you guys think about y triple prime? You already love it. Y double prime plus 3y prime plus 9y. All right. This is awesome. I gotta make sure you guys know this method. Now, we are going to learn a method that feels a lot like this one later. It's the one there's the x squares and x's in front of it, and the answer is going to be some kind of x to a power. We talked a little bit about that before. That's not as direct of a translation into the associated polynomial equation. So you got to be careful when we get there. But what do you think, just knowing the pattern, what's this going to become? When I do my y equals e to the mx. M cubed
minus 5m squared plus 3m plus 9.
And people always put an m there, but it's related to the derivatives. No derivatives, so no m's. Does that make sense? You have as many m's as you have derivatives. All right, I like it. How do you factor this?
Take out an m? No.
Here. Graph it and see where it hits the axis. No, stop that shit. I want you to know how to graph this. How to factor this. Does anyone have an idea? You can't group it. You can try to group it, but you can quickly see that ain't going nowhere. Oh, Jeff, what the shit's wrong with you, man? What about synthetic division? And you're like, what about synthetic division?
Forgot to do that.
Yeah, so what could be roots of this thing? Especially because there's only one here. Any factors of 9, right? How's synthetic division work? Oh, I don't watch much hockey, but I always call this a penalty box. Who goes in the penalty box? Well, it depends on our guess, right? What do you guys want to guess? So let me make sure you guys understand what's happening. I'm going to guess that this factors to be m minus or plus some number, and it makes sense that this number has to be a factor of 9. That's where the 9 will come from.
Then m squared maybe?
Yes.